Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows 11 mail app is not sensing or working properly. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is stopping up on search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung keyword na mail. And then next, pwede kang mag-right click dito at select mo lang yung app settings, or dito mga kaibigan, makita mo kaagad dito yung kanyang settings. Alright? So, click mo lang tong app settings. And then direct agad tayo dito sa apps. Alright? And then next step dito sa mail and calendar. So, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, i-locate natin dito yung reset. Okay? So, dito sa reset, if this app isn't working right, so, kailangan mong i-click tong repair. Okay? So, click lang natin yan and then wait natin. Okay. So, once na-click na natin itong repair, if the error still persists, and then next step ay, kailangan mong i-click tong reset mga kaibigan. So, if this app still isn't working right, so, i-click mo lang tong reset. Okay. So, click mo lang tong reset and then pop up ito. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Okay. So, click mo lang tong reset and then wait natin. Alright. So, once na na-click mo na tong reset and then close mo lang, and then dito lang sa start menu, click mo lang to restart mga kaibigan. Okay? And then, ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows 11 mail app not sensing. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.